All right, so I wanted to do kind of a quick 3-month update of my 2018 Accord. I've only done a few things to it, like the wheels, replaced the bumper. Right after I got the car, somebody pulled right out in front of me. Black right there on the front grille. I have the lower part also, just haven't installed it. I also have the black for the windows trim, and I have the aftermarket lights, which I love. They really made me, like the back a little better. Also, that little fake diffuser inside. Really, just the lining on the floor, and and the carbon fiber. I'll be honest, I was about to get rid of it because I really didn't like the way it rode. Still don't completely like the way it rides, but I will say that since I put the new wheels on, which are 20s, the car rides substantially better as far as how it dampens and everything. It's substantially better than it was. It's still no sports car, lots of understeer and everything, but it's an Accord, so what it is, what it is. I should have purchased the Genesis sedan that I was going to get. Should have just waited 2 weeks, but I was rushing myself to purchase something before the end of the week, before my rental went back. But I should have just paid for the rental, waited and added a little more money for the down payment and got the Genesis because it was way more car, but it is what it is. So, first oil change has been done. Music is okay. Some wireless CarPlay would be cool, but I dislike having to hit the locks. It's been a long time since I've had to hit the remote on a car to unlock it when it's keyless. That doesn't make any sense to me, but that's that. But like I said, the new wheels make it ride substantially better. So I probably will keep it for maybe like a little over a year or so, but I'm not really completely pleased with it. But like I said, the wheels make me like it a little bit more because of the better dampening. The stereo system is complete garbage. And I think I'm going to get one of those Android units I've seen, and then replace the speakers. But yeah, I like these wheels much more. I'm not gonna lower it or anything. It's just not. I'm not that into it. I may put a black tail back there. I have to get the rear deck fixed because I took the letters off and that will not come off. It's actually like into the paint. So yeah, you can try to avoid people, but people seem to always drive around until they intersect with you. Anyway, let me guys know what you think. If you have a 10th gen, leave comments. How do you like yours? I like it better. I like it, like I said, a little bit better than when I first got it. I think I'm going to go aftermarket with a sunroof. I went to a local shop. It's going to be $1,500 labor and parts for a nice quality aftermarket. So if I keep it, sunroof's going to be put in it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think.